Alright, morning. Absolutely chucking it down outside. And bloody freezing too. So, Jodie's been working on this kind of doing this little garden display here. Giving you ideas, think spring. It's not too far away. Found this guy the other day and it's kind of like, not sure what it was for, maybe cakes or something. Anyway, put little boxwood in there, in jars, little containers. He is a sprinkler, a fountain head frog, Japan. Got some napkin rings here, watering cans. This is a brass sprinkler head. And this little nest basket guy, Anna Lee butterfly, Ikebana bowl there, gorgeous orchid book. So just some ideas here for you, presents, maybe a Valentine's Day, if we got any of the husbands watching, or just treat yourself. Floral art. These are that's the botanical calendar. It was framed, very nicely framed. Got a couple of months of those left. These are metal flowers. So you could, I was thinking you could either use them, you could put like bracelets on here and earrings, jewelry. Put a glass container on there and you can have flowers on there, or candles, or whatever. Aren't those pretty? I've got several floral frogs, glass and metal, and the thick ones, and lots of vessels for your florals. This Majolica guy, it's kind of it's a vase, like the handle is its ears. Lucite rabbit napkin holders. So I'll be posting photos obviously throughout the day. I imagine it's going to be quiet. So we've got some gorgeous original art. 100 English Gardens, some nice vintage books. There's a little tote there, metal with a wooden handle. Again, floral frogs. Book of herbs. Just like market basket with the apples inside. So, shop's open. I'm here until 4 today. And maybe I'll see you in a bit. Cheers.